Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to install the ships mode in 2020. So we're gonna begin by going to this website. We're gonna go to files and we're gonna find the 1.7.10, which in this case is here. Just gonna press download. And let that download. We're gonna search for Forge 1.7.10 download. I'm gonna go for this link. We're gonna go to the recommended installer. That's what I always recommend. And we're just gonna go wait for this to be done and download it. My antivirus is gonna be blocking everything, so I'm sorry about that. We have that installed as well. So now let's close this. And we have to click this now. Click yes. And install client. After that's done, we want to close this up. You want to open Minecraft and you should find the option Forge here. So you want to play now, and that will just make the Forge create the mods folder where we're going to put the mod. So Minecraft should launch now. As you can see, we don't have anything here yet. So now that should have created the mods folder. So we want to do %update go to Minecraft, go to the mods folder, and just pop this thing in, ships mod. So after that's done, we want to close this up and we want to open Minecraft back up again and start the Forge. As you can see, we now have the ships mod, the Kuchas interactive, and the mod core. That's all one mod. So if we go single player, create new world, it should all work, and we should have a new world where we can use the ships and everything. I'm not gonna demonstrate how to use it, but you get the point. So press E, ships. As you can see, tiny ship, small, medium, large, epic ship. It's all working. So you can start building your own ships. If you did enjoy the video, please leave a like and feel free to subscribe. I do more tutorials on my channel, so you can watch those as well if you wish to. And yeah, that's about it.